Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella, and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today for dinner, we're going to have egg bites. So come on, let's get started. So first off, I got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to spray my muffin tins. And I'm going to spray these really good because these tend to stick. Okay, now I already diced up some onion and some red and green bell pepper. So I'm going to add a little bit of each to each muffin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it enough so I can have these for breakfast the rest of the week too. And then I'm going to add some green bell pepper. And some red bell pepper. My peppers got mixed together, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. And then I got some bacon I cooked up. And I'm just going to break it up into each little tin. Now, if you wanted, you could add sausage. You don't have to add bacon. You could add ham, whatever you want. Or you could add no meat. And actually, if you didn't want the peppers or the onions, you could leave them out too and just make eggs. Here, you can have a piece of bacon. Here, take it. There you go. Now, in my bowl, I'm going to crack 6 eggs. Maybe 5 eggs. These eggs are pretty large. And now we're going to beat our eggs just like you would if you were scrambling eggs. I'm going to add some salt. And some pepper. And a little bit of milk. Now we're just going to pour, actually, I'm going to put these in here to make pouring easier. Now we're just going to fill our muffin cups. And you don't want to fill them all the way to the top because the eggs are going to puff up as they cook. And it's pouring down rain again. It's what it's been doing all day, is raining. Okay, I guess I needed 6 eggs. Ugh. Guess it would have been better to have more than enough than to have to do it again. But that's okay. I don't mind. I don't like wasting. And Buddy don't like eggs, so... I overfilled some of these So I'm just going to take some of the egg out of them. Put it in this one over here. That's okay. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on top. You can put as little or as much cheese as you want on them. Okay, now we're going to put these in the oven and we're going to bake these for 20 minutes or until the egg is cooked. And then when they come out of the oven, they need to rest in the pan for 5 minutes before you take them out of the pan. So I'll bring you guys back when they're done. Okay, this is what they look like when they come out of the oven. Now we're going to leave them sit for about 5 minutes in the tin. And then I'll bring you guys back when I put them on a plate. So here you guys go, guys. These are fresh out of the pan. So let's give them a bite. So I will eat about 3 of these for dinner with a toast and tomato sandwich. And that'll be my dinner for tonight. They're hot, so I need... It's like a little baby omelet in a bite. Mmm. And that's exactly what it tastes like a little baby omelet in a bite. So give this recipe a try. Normally what I do is I will make 4 pans of these. And on Sundays. And then I put them in the refrigerator so that way I have them all week for breakfast. And then you just pop them in the microwave for about 45 seconds. They're heated up and they're really good. So I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list and our PayPal account in the description box below. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day. Bye, guys.